How to make your electric car go longer. Let's look at some of the tips to make your electric car go longer. Root Electric has been installing home EV chargers for years now. And we have 6 tips we'd like to share about extending your EV range. 1. Carry the biggest EV battery you can afford. 2. Dress warmly to avoid using the heater. 3. Accelerate gradually. When you accelerate hard in an electric car, it goes quickly, but the battery drains faster. 4. Keep the tires at optimal pressure. 5. Don't weigh down the trunk. 6. Batteries have never liked cold weather. In winter, for optimal battery performance, it's recommended to park your car in a garage if possible. Otherwise, plug it in if you must park outside. Charge at home for worry-free road trips with a home EV charger. Get a recommendation for the best one for your car from Root Electric.